Hey guys, I'm coming to you tonight from Casita and Garden, located in the back of the Romantic Zone, kind of right before you get to the tunnel off of Basilio Badillo. This place is a complete gem, and wait until you see it. They've got live music here. You can even order food from Bonito Kitchen, which is an Asian restaurant here. They've got great menus. You can order great wine. They have charcuterie. This is definitely a place that you need to check out if you are in the Romantic Zone, Casita and Garden, and let me come show it to you. Come on, guys. Come and check out Casita and Garden with me.
How come that nothing feels the same now when I'm with you? It's the same whole night in the kitchen, and I'm always you.